Good afternoon. So today we all have gathered here for this huge event, that is Education Expo, and we are representing Aryan's World School. We all have gathered here from actually we all have come here from Pune to represent our school in Belgaum, which there are 2 branches in Belgaum. आणि आता सुरुवातीला वेन यू एंटर आवर स्टॉल, तिथे आमचं सुरुवातीला प्री स्कूल, फन स्कूल अँड हाऊ वी टीच स्मॉल किड्स ते सगळं असणार आहे. लर्निंग सेंटर्स वगैरे आहेत. अँड द वे यू एंटर दिस एक्झॉटिक बर्ड पॅराडाईज, पीपल विल नॉट स्टॉप, आय गॅरंटी. आणि हे जे बर्ड्स आहेत कुठलंही एक स्पीसीस आपल्या इंडियातलं नाही आहे. दे ऑल रिप्रेझेंट फ्रॉम लाईक इंटरनॅशनल डिफरंट like part of our international places, and more about this आपल्याला मुस्तफा सर सांगतील.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Mustafa Vora representing Aryan's Animal Kingdom here with a lot of exotic animals, reptiles, birds, rodents. You all have a lot of things to see here. You all might be thinking, why do we have so many pets here? These are for educational purpose. The child should know that there are a lot of things that can be friend, that can give them a responsibility, as well as they are the future of our environment, who will be saving them. So we make sure that we give them a fur friend or a claw friend. And we here have a lot of exotic birds like macaws. He is blue and gold macaw. We have named him Rio. Here we have scarlet macaw. We have named him Geo. And the interesting thing about him is he is right now 14 years old. And do you all know these parrots can live up to 70 to 80 years in the captivity? And here we have on my shoulder Gala cockatoo. She is from Australia. These Gala cockatoos are very good mimicker. They can talk well, they can speak well. We have named her Barbie. Here you can see the reptile in my hand. We call him T-Rex. Yes, these are the ancestors of dinosaurs. These are reptiles. We can call it as cold-blooded reptiles. And do you all know the most interesting thing about these reptiles? These are pure veg. A lot of people do not know this, but here we are ready to educate people, educate the child. Rather than that, we have lovely birds like, here we have a Eclectus parrot. We call him Elmo. He is an Indonesian bird. He is a male. He makes sure that he dominates us whenever he is on our hand. Rather than that, we have African grey parrot. Do you all know a very interesting bird? Here you all can see the African grey parrot. He is from Congo, from Africa. Do you all know? We call him African grey because he is from Africa, and the grey color represents its name, grey parrot. And the main thing about this bird is that he can learn and speak up to 350 words. The world has given them a title named as World's Smartest Bird. Do you all know this bird has earned the title because he can remember and speak up to 350 words? Rather than that, there was a case in USA where this bird, not this bird in my hand, but the species of this bird was seen ordering treats for himself through Alexa. That smart these birds are.